Good morning. So we're here at Fredericksburg Equine with Dr. Muskowski, and we're looking at a horse. We're going to show you the importance of why occlusal equilibration is so important in horses. Not just having the teeth floated, but actual occlusal equilibration where we work on the occlusal surfaces. So if we come in here, all right, you can cut that. And then, feel like you got it pretty good?
Yep.
Okay, tell me when you're rolling.
Rolling.
So if we look in here, we can see at the bottom teeth here on this horse, those are about 2 to 2.5 inches long. And if we look on top, you don't even see teeth anymore. They're gone. And yet this horse has been floated. We can see that the sharp edges have been taken off. But if we could add what's missing up on top, if we could steal tooth from the bottom and put it on top, this horse would have years and years of good dentition left. And that's essentially what we do with occlusal equilibration, is we balance out the rate at which the teeth are wearing, and that way the teeth last a lot longer. So this is a great example of what happens when teeth are wearing unevenly and then they wear out prematurely.